Let us consider this vessel contains some water. This is the open surface of water. Now let us suppose there is a rectangular surface at depth h. This is the rectangular surface at depth h from the open surface of liquid. The density of liquid is rho. Here liquid is water, as we have stated at the beginning of our discussion. So the water will exert pressure on this surface. Water above this surface will exert pressure, and pressure due to water on this surface will be due to its weight. Means weight of the liquid contained in this cuboidal column. It will describe a cuboidal column. Let me draw. A cuboidal column like this will be described by this amount of water. So water contained in this cuboidal column will exert pressure on this surface. Now it will be due to the weight, due to the thrust. Thrust here is weight of the amount of water present in this cuboidal column. Now let us write the thrust exerted by this cuboidal column. So that thrust on this surface is weight of the liquid in the cuboidal column, and that is equal to mass of that column multiplied by g, acceleration due to gravity. We know density of any substance is equal to mass by volume. Therefore mass is equal to density into volume. We will replace mass by density multiplied by volume. Mass is equal to density into volume multiplied by g. Density we have assumed rho, and volume is the base of this rectangular surface multiplied by height. So area of the base multiplied by height multiplied by this g. Let me represent area by capital A. Height is given as h multiplied by g. So this is the measurement of thrust exerted by this cuboidal water column on its bottom surface. Therefore pressure exerted by this cuboidal column is this thrust multiplied by area, this area. Let us write. This is pressure. Pressure is equal to thrust by area. Area is A. Area of this base A. This A will cancel that A. So rho h g. This is the pressure exerted by this liquid column. This is how we can measure pressure by a liquid column. Now one more pressure is there, that is atmospheric pressure upon this open surface. So we can write total pressure, that is Tp. We can write for total pressure atmospheric pressure, pressure of the atmosphere by this pressure, or pressure of the atmosphere plus rho g h. This is the total pressure exerted by this liquid column on at its bottom. As we have learned, pressure is rho g h. Therefore if rho increases, density increases, pressure increases. If depth increases, pressure increases. If gravitational acceleration increases, pressure increases. But at a given place gravitational acceleration is constant. So at a given place pressure is directly dependent upon these two factors, density and the depth of liquid column. So these two are the factors of pressure exerted by any liquid at a given depth at a given place.